Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to install Google Camera on almost any Android device. If you want better camera quality and advanced photography features, this tutorial is for you. On your mobile dashboard, the first thing we need to do is open your browser. Let's use Google Chrome as an example. Tap on Google Chrome to open it. Once we are inside Google Chrome, type and search for Google Camera, or GCam. It will appear like this: GCamera HD Pro Photos. To install it, all we need to do is tap Install. We cannot show the full install process because our phone is not supported by this app. But once installed, you will have access to HD Pro Photos options, including features like RAW photos on your phone. This will help you take better pictures and use filters and other great features. It will also help you download and install the right version of Google Camera, also known as GCam, for your Android phone. We will walk you through checking compatibility, downloading the correct APK, and turning on the settings needed to install it. And that's it. Now we know how to install Google Camera on an Android device.